They have too much of power.
Okay,
Like
before
coal.
coming to the topic,
They are Iron Man's
all of you
customer.
think about
like-
your mother's household activities. All of you think about your mother's household activities. What are the different machines she used regularly? Uma, what are the different machines
Ma'am, her hand
she
to
used
beat us.
regularly? Shane, keep quiet.
So, gas stove,
Gas stove, yes.
television,
What?
television,
Washing. Okay, washing machine. Then Amna Sharin.
Machines.
What are the different machines she used regularly? Okay, fridge.
Utensils?
Utensils is a machine, dear.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Then Baja.
Beater.
Okay,
For
beater.
grinding.
Okay.
Mixie.
Mixie for blending the food. Okay.
fridge,
Washing machine.
Fridge.
Yeah. For storing the things. Fridge we are using for storing the things. Then washing machine for washing clothes.
Stove.
Stove.
Yeah.
Okay, for cooking. Then vacuum cleaner for cleaning. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Have you ever imagined a life without electricity or power?
No,
No.
No. Why?
no,
No.
Why?
there is no need of that.
We cannot live, no, because we know that
we can't charge our phone.
yes, we cannot charge our phones, we cannot charge our computer devices.
No
So we
school,
cannot
no
think
class,
about
no
a life
games,
without power, right? So power
Yes,
is
ma'am.
very, very important. Yes, power or energy play a vital role in our day-to-day life. Then, what are the uses of power? Johan Jeevan, what are the uses of power? What are the uses of power? Anyone?
Electricity,
Electricity, very good. Electricity,
heat,
yes, for heating, cooling, transport, then
communication.
communication,
Industry, agriculture,
okay, operating appliances, okay, operating appliances, computers, electronics,
factories,
machines, okay, and public transport system. So we cannot imagine a life without power or energy. So power play an important role in our day-to-day life. So what are power resources? Power resources are meant by those resources which provide us with power or energy. So what is power resource? Tanmay?
Power resources are meant by those resources which provide us with power or energy.
Yeah, they provide us with power or energy. That kind of resources are known as power resources. So people use power or people use electricity for cooking, for cooking, then lighting, refrigeration, okay, operating appliances, machines, electronics, and public transport system. So we also need power for industry. We also need power for industry. We need power for agriculture. We need power for transportation. Okay. We need power for communication and also for defense. So we cannot imagine or we cannot live without power or
And
energy.
can
So
we call food as power resources?
how?
It gives us energy.
That energy and this energy both are different here. Here you are telling about power resources. Okay.
Yeah.
Industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. Gauri
Ma'am,
Parvati, what is power
defense.
resource? For military use.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Power resources. So what is power resources? Gauri Parvati.
Power resources.
which provide us with power.
Yeah, provide us with power or energy. So power resources are broadly classified into two. What are the two categories or two division of power resources.
Conventional
Conventional,
Conventional.
conventional sources
Non-
of energy and non-conventional sources of energy. There are
Ma'am.
two division of
You
power
can say
resources. What?
I can change the color.
Okay, yeah, sure. Conventional source of energy. And the second one is non-conventional source of energy. So these are the two division or two categories of power resources. Let us discuss about conventional sources. What are conventional sources?
Ma'am, 1 minute, can you show the last slide?
Okay. Okay, the next one, conventional sources. Conventional sources of energy are those which have been in common use for a long time. So conventional sources of energy are those which has been in common use for long time. Okay, the sources which have been in use since a long time are called conventional source of energy. The sources which have been in use since a long time. Since a long time is known as or is called as conventional sources. Prajita, so what are conventional sources?
Conventional sources of energy are those which have been in use for a long time.
Yes, common use for a long time or since a long time. In use since a long time is known as conventional sources. Firewood and fossil fuel. Firewood and fossil fuel are the two examples of conventional sources. Firewood and fossil fuels are the examples of conventional sources. Let us discuss about firewood. Okay. Firewood, it is used for cooking. Firewood, it is used for cooking and heating. It is widely used for cooking and heating. So first we are going to discuss about firewood. Firewood is an example of conventional sources of energy and it is widely used for cooking and heating. Still it is using by the lakhs of people in rural areas. It is still using by the lakhs of people, those who are living in the rural areas. Rural means, what's the meaning of rural?
Village.
Okay, a village. Okay, so still it is using by the people, those who are living in the villages. In our country, more than 50% of the energy used by villagers that come from firewood. So more than 50% of people, they depend upon firewood. So in our country, more than 50% of energy used by villagers that come from firewood. So firewood is an example of conventional source of energy and it has been in use since a long time. Okay. So firewood is a kind of source which have been in use since a long time, then it is known as conventional source of energy. And next one is fossil fuel. What are fossil fuels?
Dead remains
Remains
of
of plants and animals.
What are the
The
examples
remains
of
of
fossil
plants and
fuels?
animals under high heat and pressure will turn into fuels.
Okay,
Those are
so
called fossil
we know that coal,
petroleum.
Petroleum.
natural gas.
crude oil,
Natural gas.
crude oil, coal and crude oil are the examples of fossil fuel. So with the help of the crude oil, we can make petrol, we can make diesel, we can make kerosene, then natural gas, etc. Okay. So with the help of crude oil, we can make petrol, diesel, okay, kerosene, and natural gas. Fossil fuel. Okay. Remains of plants and animals which have buried under the earth for millions of years ago got converted by the heat and pressure into the fossil fuel. Okay. So how does it form? We
By
know
the
that
heat.
our earth is
Remains of plants and animals.
yeah, remains of plants and animals, okay, which
Which
were buried under the
earth for millions of
the
years.
earth for millions of years ago, and they converted or they transferred into the fossil fuel
fuels
due to the high
temperature
pressure and heat of
pressure.
the by high pressure and heat of the earth. Got it? So these the remains of plants and animals, they were turned into
and crude oil.
they are the examples of fossil fuels. Coal, crude oil are the examples of fossil fuels. With the help of the crude oil, we can make petrol, diesel, kerosene, natural gas, etc. Got it? So we know that the quantity of these are very limited. Okay. The availability of these sources are very, very limited. So the continuous use of these resources by the people reduces the quantity, okay, the quantity that available, because these are renewable natural resources. So what's the meaning of renewable natural resources?
They can get exhausted by human activity.
Yes, they can be exhausted by the human activities. Yes or no?
Yes.
So they are non-renewable. They are non-renewable natural resources, and even it takes thousands and thousands years to form. So it is our duty to protect these resources, at least for our future generation. Okay, so because of this overuse, these resources will exhausted soon. So we have to be very cautious, or we have to be very careful. Yeah, because we have to use these resources very limitedly. Otherwise, the quantity will reduce. The quantity of that mineral or that resources is reducing day by day, and at last it will
get
exhausted soon. Clear?
Yes,
Clear,
ma'am.
children? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we can move into the coal. Coal is most abundantly found fossil fuel. So what is the meaning of abundantly?
Plenty.
Plenty.
Commonly.
Okay. Commonly. Okay. Coal is an abundantly found fossil fuel. It is used as a domestic fuel. It is used in industries such as iron and steel industries, steam engines, and to generate electricity. So these are the uses of coal. So what are the uses of coal?
It is used
Pranav,
in
please.
industry.
Please wait. What are the uses of coal? Pranav?
Generate electricity.
To generate electricity. Then
It is used as a domestic fuel.
It is used as a domestic fuel.
In industry.
It is used, okay, it is used in industries. What kind of industries?
Ma'am, can you hear?
Yeah.
Ma'am, iron and steel.
Iron and steel, okay, steam engines to generate electricity. So these are the uses of coal. These are the uses of coal. Electricity from coal is called as thermal power. Electricity from coal, which is known as thermal power. That means coal is used, okay, coal is using in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Coal is using in thermal power to produce electricity. Like, coal is one kind of fossil fuel. It was formed millions of years ago. It was formed millions of years ago. So when the big trees, okay, when the big trees, they got buried under the layers of the earth, then it will converted into yeah, coal. It converted into coal after the process. Okay, the process will take nearly millions of years. Got it, children? So that's why the coal is known as buried sunshine. Buried sunshine. The coal is known as buried sunshine because when the big trees, okay, they got buried under the layers of the earth, it will converted or it will transferred into coal. The process will take thousands or it will take more than millions of years. So coal is known as buried sunshine. What are the, please take your textbook, look at the page number 22. Please underline the last sentence. The leading coal producers of the world are China,
Ma'am, page
USA, page number 28. Look at the page number 28 in your textbook. Okay. The leading coal producers of the world are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa, and France. So these are the leading coal producers of the world. China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa, and France.
France.
Annette, what about in India? The coal producing areas of India are Raniganj,
Jharia,
Dhanbad,
and
Bokaro
in
Jharkhand. Okay,
Jharkhand.
so these are the coal producing areas of India. The coal mines are found in Raniganj, okay, Jharia, Dhanbad, Bokaro in Jharkhand. I'll show you a video related to the formation of coal.
Under the soil,
Hmm.
and due to the pressure, they turn into coal, and the coal with more amount of carbon gets fired quickly, burned quickly than the less one.
Lesser one. Very good, very good. So dear children, please take your textbook and underline these points in the page number 27 and 22. Look at the figure 3.8. You can see the advantages and disadvantages of firewood and coal. Yes, Parvati Menon, please read the first one. Advantages and disadvantages of firewood.
Advantage. Easy access provides
easy access,
energy
okay,
to a large number of people.
Yeah, it provides energy to large number of people. It is easily available, right? The people, they can collect from everywhere. No firewood,
Yes,
they can
ma'am.
collect firewood from everywhere, so it is easy to access. Then what about the second one? Provide energy to a large number of people. Just now we discussed that still the people of India, more than 50%
Large number of
of
people.
people, lakhs of people, those who are living in rural areas, they depend upon the firewood. Even in India, more than 50% of people, they
They use firewood.
yeah, they use
Firewood.
firewood. Okay, then what are the disadvantages? Annette Rose, what are the disadvantages?
Disadvantage.
Hmm.
Collection is time consuming.
Yes, collection is
Polluting.
time consuming. So that is the
Polluting.
disadvantages. Because they want to spend their time to collect the firewood. Then the second one,
Polluting.
polluting. Yes. Then third one,
Promoting greenhouse effect.
yes, promoting greenhouse effect. And the last one is very
Deforestation.
important, deforestation. Okay, then what about coal? Pranav, please read the advantages box.
Ma'am, but when firewood is collected, we use the broken down pieces, right? We don't cut a tree.
Ah. But it is that means people, they want to spend time, no, for drying it.
Okay, ma'am.
Even they want to collect the firewood from the maybe far away areas, or they want to go to forest and they want to cut down the trees, or maybe one or two small kind of ones.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, and then they want to load it, loading and unloading. So no, because they want to carry all these things, right? So they
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
spend some time for that. Okay. Then next one, coal. Pranav.
Yes, ma'am. Advantages. Extensively available.
Yes, extensively available.
Efficient conversion.
Efficient conversion to electricity. Okay, then disadvantages.
Ma'am, itself.
Ah, yes.
Polluting source.
Yeah, polluting source.
Bulky to transport.
Bulky to transport. Please tick that one, firewood and coal. You can tick that too. At the same time, in your textbook, please underline the word buried sunshine. Buried sunshine. Most abundantly you found fossil fuel. Underline these sentences, okay? This is most abundantly found fossil fuel. It is used as domestic fuel. Industries such as iron and steel, steam engines, and generate electricity. Coal is known as, or therefore it is referred as buried sunshine. Please underline that points. Look at the page number 27. In the heading conventional sources, you can underline this phrase. In common use for a long time. In common use for a long time. Then fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas are the main source of conventional energy. Okay, let me take attendance. Okay, children. Bye. Okay,
Bye,
please read the
ma'am.
textbook
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
learn the concept.
Thank you, ma'am.
And complete your notes. If you did not
Okay,
complete
ma'am.
the first chapter question answer, second chapter question answer, then you have to complete it as soon as possible.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.